Hey, welcome back, chemistry class. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. Happy April to everybody. Today we will be working on the handout packet 8-10, which can be found, of course, on the Google Classroom link. Also on the Google Classroom 8-10 assignment, you'll see the answer key that goes along with 8-10. So as you're working on 8-10, be sure to check the answer key after you do each one to be sure you're heading in the right direction. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me your questions, and if necessary, I can make a video about problems that the majority of you may be happening. So look for those videos to be posted Thursday or maybe even later in the day on Wednesday. To do the 8-10 assignment, you can do it on your own paper, or you can print the 8-10 assignment out, and complete it directly on your own work. When you've finished the assignment, be sure to share it with my email, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. It was awesome to see how many of you completed the 8-7 stuff and already shared it with me. Got a large number of those turned in today. If you didn't get 8-7 finished, be sure to get it completed as quickly as you can so that you do not get behind. And remember, always let bad situations bring out the good in you. Thanks for all your hard work, and I look forward to seeing the questions and completed assignments for 8-10. Have a great day.